Or you.
Me?
You're going to put the best accessories on your car.
I am?
Yep, and you're going to show everyone at home what the best first car accessories are.
No, I don't want...
Shh, yes you do.
No, I don't want to do that.
You really want me to tell everyone what happened during the last video?
Okay, guys, let's get into the first car accessory.
Good, there you go.
Alright boys, so the first one is, well, we actually have to turn on the car for these. I'm going to bring down the window, we're going to listen to the exhaust that we put on last video. If you haven't seen it, have a look there. Oof, that is wonderful. So the first thing isn't actually the exhaust. It's something a little bit different, or completely different actually. What it actually is RGB Footwells. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So boys, if you take a look underneath here, you will see that they're not turned on, but now they are. So as you can see, we got just red underglows. It's much easier to see this on camera. Obviously at night they're a lot brighter, but as you can see here, we've got 2 strips of light underneath the passenger seat and 2 strips of light underneath the footwells for the driver. Obviously it's daytime, so you can kind of see the glow a little bit. Much easier actually down here, you can see the glow. Is literally what the first one is. They're really easy to install. These are, I'm going to put these link in the description. These are Govee LED strips. 100% get them. They're so easy to set up. They just go into this little cigarette lighter plug here. So if you click this button, they turn off. Click it back on, they go through, and then they turn to red. I fucking love these, boys. This was the first ever thing I put on the car, and let me tell you, boys, it was worth every penny. I spent £20 on it. It is a no-brainer, I think. Only it's a no-brainer when you actually cover up the cables. So we covered up the cables here. Otherwise it will just look it will look really bad. So you've got to cover up the cables, make sure you do that.
So boys, the next thing on the list is we actually have to step outside to see this, and as you can see, here's the car. We actually have to step outside, and you will see that, as you can see here, new number plates. Obviously they're blurred just because they are, but new number plates completely transform what your car looks like. Zoom in on maybe one number. As you can see there, it just transforms what the car looks like. And also, if you get it from certain places, you can get a little bit of custom writing there. As you can see, we've got CDB down there, which I think is so sick, guys. I mean, having a personalised thing right there, I think it's pretty cool. Obviously, it's not a personal plate, so you can't get the thing. And obviously, I'd recommend that. Get new number plates for your car, make it look nice, and then get some personalised plates, because that will look awesome. We got CDB here as well. So yeah, guys, I 100% recommend you get some of these on whatever car, not just this Corsa. The next accessories is a pretty cool one. So boys, coming in at accessory number 3 is actually something pretty special that came with my car, but I absolutely love them because they're just so useful for when you're trying to park, basically just trying to see behind you. That car was annoying. Just basically just trying to see behind you, and as you could probably tell, they're probably mirrors, right? But they're actually these little blind spot mirrors. Here's the actual wing mirror, and here are these blind spot mirrors. As you can see, you can bloody see me. Hi guys. So as you can see, they're basically just like the little things you put at the back of your phone. I don't know what they're called. Let me just give you an example of why they're useful. They're useful because basically when you're trying to park, you know, you're sitting there, you're looking over your mirrors, and you just can't see the lines. So before, you know what you'd have to do? You'd have to switch over to the mirror, lower it to see the lines. But you don't want to do that because that takes way too long. So what these allow you guys to do is, as you guys can see, you can actually you can see the mirrors already. You can see exactly where the lines will be for when you're parking, and that is so useful. A lot of people underestimate how useful that is. Obviously they're on this side as well, so it is so useful. It just saves you so much time as well. And basically, if you're learning to drive, this will be in all your instructors' cars pretty much, because how useful it is. So 100% I recommend getting one of these, or getting a pair of these, I suppose. So boys, I slightly lied about when I said that these can go on every car, because they kind of can't. Now this is because that if your car already have big white headlight bulbs, which is going to be the accessory, you don't need this. However, if it doesn't and you have yellow headlights or dip lights, as you can see here, that these are my main beams. There's my running lights. These are my main beams. They're yellow. We don't want them, boys. We do not want... You don't want yellow lights because it just makes your car look so old. So, doesn't help here, but if you actually look at the bulb, right there, it's really hard to see. But if you look closely at the bulb, it is white. On camera, it looks so white. But when you're driving, and in real life, it does. On camera, it looks yellow. But when you're driving in real life, it looks, you know, it looks like you've got... Maybe the further you go back, the whiter they look, I suppose. And guys, we're just going to get straight into the fifth one. And make sure if you've already got this far, make sure to like and subscribe, because this fifth one is the best one you could get. And it is, ladies and gentlemen, what we doing over here? Are we turning on an indicator? What? Why would that be any good? Well, 3, 2, 1. Bang! Look at those bad boys. It look like I'm driving a Ferrari. And you got those just zooming like vroom, vroom. Look, I was driving a Ferrari, bro. Look how sick these are. So these are on both sides, obviously. And basically, they're just called sequential indicators. You guys need these. These make your car look so much nicer. So, if you guys don't already know what these bad boys do, is they don't do much. But I'm going to throw a picture of the stock Corsa. Yeah, and as you can see, no one wants them. Not a single person wants them, boys. So, you get some of these. Not only are they black, so they look good. Oh, let me just show you them off. Not only are they black, but they indicate sequentially, like you're driving an Audi R8 or something, bruv. You know what I mean? Like a brand new. So, boys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Obviously, a little bit different. I just wanted to show you guys the top 5 accessories you can get when it comes to your first car. So, obviously, basically, you just had to personalise your car a little bit. So, if you guys wanted to see what the person was talking about what happened in the last video, make sure to click here. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Let me know if you guys are doing some of these yourself or have them already done. Let me know, because I want to know, because I want to know how you guys are getting along your first car journey as much as I am. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.